Hey everyone, it's Ms. Lopez. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between your histogram and a bar graph. Seeing the diagrams here, you can see that they are very similar in their construction and the type of data or the way that the data is presented. But there are a few differences between a histogram and a bar graph, and we do have them listed here. The biggest thing to take away from this after you have read through the differences is that with histograms, it is the information that is shown is what is called continuous data. And so there's the idea is that the data is continuous, meaning that if you are looking at a range of data, the range is unbroken. So for example, from 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, all the way up to 85. Whereas with bar graph, you're looking at data that is more in categories. So for example, there would be no overlap between Spanish and Chinese here, so they are distinct and they're separated bars. Whereas in histograms, you can see they are close by, touching each other. So you're going to be working on some example problems for histograms, interpreting histograms before you get a chance to do the actual lab. Now in the lab, which we're calling the snack lab, we are going to be creating a histogram based on snack pieces, which when made by the company should be pretty close in their range. So for example, if you were looking at an M&M, the mass of that M&M should be pretty close to other pieces of M&Ms, but there is going to be a slight difference. There will be a range of values. So at each station, you're going to have some snack pieces. You're going to have a balance. You're going to have 10 plastic cups, and these plastic cups are your bins. Now, bins is a statistical term and refers to consecutive non-overlapping intervals. So what that means is at each station, you are going to take the mass of your snacks and put them into categories separated into 10 overlapping categories or a range of 10 values. So for example, I have 10 bins or cups drawn here, and I have the average mass of my snack as, let's say, 10.5. Then that will probably be one of my middle cups. Then I'm going to need bins or cups below that and above that. So if I designate this one as my 10.5, then from there I may scale downwards 10.4, 10.3, 10.2, 10 less than 10.1, and I may go increasing from here, so 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9, and then 11 or greater. And so you have these different categories, or you have these different bins, these classes. And what you're going to do is you're going to measure the mass of each snack piece and place it in the bin it belongs. So this could be anywhere from 0 to 10.0. And then this will be up to 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, or whatever your values are. And you'll put each snack piece into its appropriate bin, and then when you go through and count all your snack pieces or have categorized all your snack pieces, you'll record the bin, how many are in each bin, so that you can then develop a histogram. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.